Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka junior kop mare jong ka Sohra International Half Marathon ka basaw ka lalong ka bajob haka arpohnyo tari unay lur aja arpusan habalawan Bynta da Palat khatwe Hajar Ngut ki Nongmareh ka balalong ka bahe tam haka history jong ka nigajia mare kani junior kop ka kentup ya ka arpwe kilometer half marathon 10 kilometer bat ka run for run ka basan kilometer ka jingwan jong ginong Bynta am da usnam ka lepeni ka jingkiu ka bapla hado Palat san Hajar Ngut ginong yelek kai habe nujor bat usnam beradab ki badan tang hanyu Hajar Ngut nagaling kari India bat kumju na bari hagani ngasngi la don lang ka klur nong ya kura barim jong kari ka Amerikam ka bala khur tak mateng haka Olympic bat bala job handriu sin haka World Championship ringkat bat Chief Secretary ka jilla uba Donald Phillips walang haka bagila sami ki khusnam shikinong job halaki jong ki kerdan yokop jong ki shinrang bat kenthei ha Seven Sisters Fall.
Is it correct? Thank you. Respected our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Hima, and respected our Minister, Sports Minister, as well as MLA, local MLA. Today, the 4th Sohra International Marathon, especially I'm also be a part of today event. Very great, it's privilege to be a part of this event. Very happy after seeing all this organized. It was amazing. I should say one of the best ever organized, and we all know that Northeastern state is a very beautiful place, especially Meghalaya and Sohra place is, I am really falling in love. I love the view, I love the weather, I love the place. It's so beautiful. From my bottom of my heart, today I'm so glad to see everyone is happy, enjoy, have fun, as well as I think our athlete also performing very well. I would like to congratulate all the winners, all the participants. I would like to encourage all the volunteers who look take care of the athlete. I came and to support this cause, accept, and I would like to thank Meghalaya States to having me in this, especially to promote sports. And I really appreciate the government has done so much, and also in the upcoming years for the national games or any sports organization, they will definitely do their best, and I hope from this platform our athlete also going to be achieve a medal in national and international level as well. So this is my best wishes to all the athletes as well as the Sohra people and the Meghalaya people for the upcoming any tournament, any competition, any any international competition. My best wishes with you always, and may God bless you. Thank you so much.